A key prerequisite for a successful product is an effective product development team. So, how do you set up a team for success? And what are the core skills required in the team for successful product development? To answer this question, let's first go through the whole process of software development. We refer to it as the software development lifecycle. This process covers the following activities: requirements prioritization, design of the product, which includes any sketches, page designs, but also setting up software architecture, a sketch of how software components are set up in the system. Software development, that's the actual software coding. Then testing, to ensure there are no impeding defects in the system. Deployment, that is the process of making the application work on a targeted device, whether it's a test server, production environment, or a user's computer or mobile device. And at the end, we have maintenance, which includes fixing issues or making some updates in the product. Keep in mind that this is an iterative process, so you are never done with these activities. You'll go through the process of product development in iterations, and you'll get back to each of these phases again and again. And even when the product is in production and you've completed all the user stories, maintenance of the product will continue. So you would require software development support as long as the product is live, because some defects might need to be fixed or certain features would need to be updated. So what are the skills that you need in your team? First, product management. This person is mostly responsible for the requirements prioritization. Then you need UI and UX design skills for the design of the product. And you need engineering skills, software architecture skills to set up the software architecture, software development for the actual programming, quality assurance skills for testing of the software, and operation skills to manage the deployment process. And for the maintenance phase, you might need all of them, but the focus is mostly on software development, testing, and operations. And this definitely doesn't mean that you need at least 6 people in the team, because the same person can take multiple responsibilities. An example of a team is the following: a product manager. It shouldn't necessarily be a person with this title. In a small startup, that could be the founder of the company. This is the person who owns the product vision and the product strategy, who understands the users best. Next to that, we might have a UI or UX designer. This is the person who is doing the UX research, the prototyping, the UX testing. Then we have 2 engineering roles. Software engineering is usually the heavier part that requires more effort. And in this example, we have 2 engineers. One is a software engineer who is doing software architecture, software development, and testing. The other is a DevOps engineer who's responsible for software development, testing, and operations, like deployment or setting the infrastructure. This is one example of a team structure. Of course, you might have a different one, but the skills should be present in the team. All the best products have 3 important ingredients: viability, usability, and feasibility. Viability is about why we build the product, the value it brings to the users, and it should be aligned with the company vision. Usability is about making a product that offers a great user experience. And feasibility is about making a good quality and reliable product. To build such a product, you need 3 core skills: product management, that's about viability; user experience skills, that's about usability; and engineering skills, that's about feasibility. This trio is considered the core team and should be very much in sync in every stage of the product development process.